So this is how you can post photo comments on TikTok. So if you've been seeing those photos in the comment section on TikTok and you want to send your own photos, well, don't worry because you will be able to after this video. Now, if you open up TikTok and then tap on the comment section, there should be another icon next to those two white icons. As you can see, there is an at icon and then a smiley face icon, both representing the mention icon and then the emojis icon. Now, if your TikTok is updated, then of course you're going to find a photo icon where you can attach photos. If it isn't updated, you can go on ahead and just go to Safari and type in TikTok. There we go. And now you're gonna want to tap on update. As you can see, mine is clearly outdated. So if I tap on update and then open up TikTok once again, it's going to show me that I can post photos and attach photos to my comments. And it really is that simple. All you have to do is just tap on that photo icon once it appears and then, give access to TikTok to see your photos, and then you can post photos for completely free and it's really easy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.